Subscribe to Automation Studio channel and press on bell icon for new video notifications. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Automation Studio. This is Praveen, and in this session we are going to learn how to create a by class. So as we know, like, we are creating our test scripts and we are using the locators over there within the test scripts. So as a long run, it's not a good practice at all, because if you are only the person who is working on the test automation, that is fine, but even for that also it becomes clumsy when the test case increases in quantity. Let's say you are writing to 300 to 400 test cases, and most of the test scenarios are related to the same screens, and in that case, if you are hard coding your by locators or objects within the test class, then in the future if someone will change the locator, it will become a clumsy task for you guys. So how to get rid out of these? So there are a few techniques you can use it. One of the technique I'm going to show here in this video. So you can create a by class, and within that you can hold all the variables or objects, and then there you can define all the locators, type like by.name, by.id, and then from there you can utilize it. How to do that we will see in this video by taking a small example over on maps. So in the last video I have shown you how to automate the maps app over on iOS. I'm gonna use the same stuff or same code, and I'm going to convert the locators by using the by class. So in the similar form you can also change your test scripts if you are using the old strategy like hard coding the locators within your test classes. In this video we will use maps. So here the simulator is open and I have opened the maps app over here. So let's move to Eclipse. So as per to our last session of the bundle ID, I have shown you how to open an app. I will provide the link under description box so you guys can check it out. So what we'll do here, let me quick recap the scenario. So in that particular scenario I am just opening the app, and after that I am clicking on this search button, sorry, text field. I am clicking on this search text field, and then I am typing bridge, and then I am clicking on this bridge port city United States, and then here I am waiting for the 10 seconds and clicking on these buttons. So what is the best way to manage the mobile element? So as you can see I have openly specified here, right? So why not we can create one of the class and where we can consolidate all our by objects, and wherever we need it we can call it from the by class. So let's see how to create the by class. So let me go to my project. Under src let me create one package, com.studio.by. Let me create a new class. Okay, now what I will do here, now I will keep here all my by objects in the form of static. So how to do that? Let's see. So here is my the element for the text field by.name. So let me copy it and let me create here public static final by and like this. So like that I can define here, right? Now similarly I am going to do for this one, the name. Okay, and for this button. Okay, because these two locators are same, so I need this one and that one. Okay, so let me do for this one as well. So this is a suggestion list, so in the suggestion I will get the result. So here I have consolidated all the mobile elements in the form of by object under by objects class, and from here I will use it under my test script. Now why I have defined it as static and final, I am assuming like this: by object will not change, so I am treating as a final. A static means I can use anywhere, like it will be common for across the screens. Okay, so let me use it. Just copy the class name, paste over here, dot, and here is search text field. Now copy it, let's paste over here. Now copy it, paste over here instead of search. You have to call suggestion list, and now here you have to say close button. Yeah. So if you will mouse over on it, what it will give you, it will give you the by object, right? So ultimately you will get here the by object, but it's very neat and clean, and from here itself you can use it. The benefit of using this approach is like if you have created so many test cases, then in that case if you have to change, let's suppose search text field, suppose someone is changed this name to some other locator name, right? So you have to go through with those many test cases and you have to change it. In this case you have only one single point of change in the locator, so here you can change it, and in everywhere under your script it will automatically change, because this is the variable which is holding this value, right? So that's why it's very easy to use. Now let's run it and let's see if it works well. Now it's loading the maps app. See, now it should click on search text field. Yes, now it should type bridge. Now it should select Bridgeport City, United States. Yes, now it should wait for here and then click on this close button, circle close button. So it's quit the app now. So it's perfectly worked, right? So like that you can manage these things. When you will start working on any automation scripts, you will start writing the things like as I shown you before. But for the long running, if you have to work on the same automation project for a long time, this is not a good approach. And also if you are working in a team with a team of 2 or 3 members, then this approach is easy to implement, and for the maintenance purpose also it is very easy. So it will provide you a single way of modifying or holding your objects in a one single file, so that if in future if someone developer will change the locator strategy, then it's very easy for you guys to change over here, and then it will got reflect to everywhere. Okay, so this is just a small video guys. That's it for now. I think it will helps you. If you have any questions, any doubts in your mind, you can comment me, and subscribe and like this video. I will see you in next video guys. Bye bye. Okay, so this is the channel guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. If you have liked this video, so please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. I will see you in next video guys. Bye bye, take care.